over here you can see that I have a programming code right here, and if I were to go ahead and hit the run button, then it throws an error, as you can see right here. But I don't know what the error is, for example. In that case, you can simply go ahead and then copy out the programming code right here. So let's just go ahead and copy this out, and then I'm going to go around onto Qwen right here. Let me just go around onto new chat and then paste out this code right here and simply say debug this code. So if I were to go ahead and then do that, then Qwen will actually go ahead and then analyze the programming code right here, and will check everything right there, and it will go ahead and give the corrected version of the program right here, just like this, as you can see. And it also mentions out the fixes of the errors that it did right here. So now what you can simply do is you can go ahead and copy out this code right here, and then go around over here and then paste this out again, and then hit the run button, and now you can see that the program runs without any flaws right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize Qwen for debugging and correcting programming codes as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.